what is big guys? Post video ay titignan natin kung yes, sino nga bang kayang talunin ni Dranso? Yes, so wait, I'm gonna flash para maliwanag kasi madilim. Thanks. Night battles, night video. So let's go boys. So by the way, this is my Dranso. Yes, ang nangitim na agad siya. By the way, the beat is balls. Yes, balls beat. Then ratchet, I don't know, think this is 360 yata. Hindi ko alam guys. So hindi yun. Hindi nga lang siya type. Let's go boys. Di ko nga pala gamit ng edit. Walang flash. So this is my collection. Right? That's all my parts yan. Hindi ako nilalagyan aking mga parts, which is ito. And this is all my tools. This is the DB launcher. Pero dyan ko nilagay. Kasi yan na. I-string launcher. Wow, hina string launchers. Bro, parang gabi na. Kasi nga, madilim nga. Pero yan, umaga pa naman. Sorry sa ko. Then, just all my Beyblade Metal Fight, which is Blitz Unicorn, Big Bang Pegasus, Phantom Orion, Fang Leon, homemade Big Bang Pegasus, I don't know, Big Bang or Storm, wala na kayo. And my favorite is yes, Burn Phoenix siya. Then Twisted Tempo na blue. Yan. Down here. What's okay. By the way, this is all my burst Beyblade. Yay! So diyan ko kasi nasa kasi masyado siyang malaki, no? Masyado siyang malaki ang mga burst kasi sa Metal Fight. So, by the way, tingin ko, bibili ako ng isa pang Hellsight. Hellsight naman ako, tapos isa pang Beyblade Metal. Kung papega ng nanay ko. So, sheesh! Bro, this is my mother's. Sira. Na yan guys eh. This is no metal kasi, no? No metal yan. So, let's go. Move on to the battle. So, whoa. So, by the way, dadalhin natin to. Fresh room. Fresh. Then, kuha lang ng mga Beyblade mo. Kalabanin niya. Ay, ito. Oh no, bro, it's falling. Yes. So, this is all my Phantom Orion, no? Yan. Siyempre, yung tatlong yan, no? Yan, tatlo yung kakalabanin niya doon. So, this is all the Metal Fight na kakalabanin niya, no? Yung malalakas lang. Oh, ba't ka hindi yan? This is the burst. So, let's go. Bro, ba't sa yan? Sa kulay green tayo. That scatter is siding. Bro, what the? Dang, there you go. Let's go, shall we? First, we get some launchers. So, then, first, we got the verse, no? Look at them. So, tingnan kung kanyang katarungan si Cosmos. Bakit Cosmos o Cosmos? Baka na kayo kung ano gusto yung tawag. So, let's go, boys. Bang! Bro, first knockout. So, 1 point para sa Beyblade X. Bro, Dranso is crazy. Then I thought, oh, Filipino, that's crazy. Oh, no. Why is you get there? Oh, Buster! Excalibur. Don't shoot. Oh, where's that? Oh. Bro, that's crazy. Bang! Bro, oh, no. Bro, 2 points. Dranso is crazy malas. Oh my god, where's the pagbo? Drop didididar. Hey, crazy. Not sharp but balls instead of flat. That's crazy. By the way, sa ano ka pala itong century? In Philippine century. Dito sa amin, century. Hindi kasi. Hindi ko lang alam kung meron doon sa Japan surprise. Next Beyblade. Bro, Achilles getting maddest. Bro, don't break. Hey, yo! Bro, no, let's crazy. That's crazy. Bro, first knockout is Achilles. So, bro, 1 point para sa Beyblade Burst and Metal. Kasi magkampi yung dalawang yun. So, woo! 1 and 2. That's crazy. Revive us, Phoenix. Shoot. Bro, no. Score, shoot. Bro, no! What happened to you? What happened to you? Oh, no. No. Two. Let's go. Pass. Valkyrie. Bro. Oh, shoot. No! What happened to you, Dransod? 3, 2. Oh my god, that's crazy. Bro, busin natin lahat ng burst. That's crazy. Okay. That's crazy hit! Bro, that's crazy. Defeat mo naman, diba? Defeat mo naman. That's why I hate Beyblade X. Oh my god. 4-2. That's crazy. Bro, let's spin rounders. Bro, what the? Bro, knockout them easily. Knockout them. Because the rubber plat is flat na. Hindi na siya stamina. Bro, let's go, boys. Nice one. Camera pala tanunin yung may hina. Hindi yung malalakas. Okay, 3-4. So, move on na tayo sa mga lap spin. That's crazy. Oh, whoa, I think that's spin stealing. Bro, spin steal? That's crazy. Yes, spin steal. Spin stealing him. No more spin steal. Okay, nakababawi ka na agad. This one, 4-4. 4-4, that's crazy. 7 minutes na guys, no? Ang bilis. Go. Oh, so, the camera's scratch. Bro, kaya mo yan. That's crazy. I know you. You are the best. You are the one. So long for you. No. Whoa. No. That's cheating. So, another one. Kala ko kasi magtatama ng malakas eh. Hey! Nakabawi! 5-4. That's crazy. Bro, a lot of enemies left. Let's move on to the weakest. 8 minutes, oh my god. So, shoot. Wow. Oh, para sila ng kulay. Mothers. What the score? 6-4. Okay. It's getting loose. Let's go move on to the burst one. Smallest attack models. Hey! Kalma! Baby, kalma! Bro. Bro, ba't di ka tumasik? How di ka alawa? Tayo mo kulay dilaw. Joke lang. 7-4. I think Gabbers we gonna lose. Last battle release. Ay, hindi. Meron pa. Bro, we gonna switch with the balance mode. Dito na go shoot. That's crazy. Bro, Barset! I-burst mo si Astral. Bro ka dyan sa may pakit. Ding. Crazy hit. No! Bro, nakabawi. 5-7? 5-6? I don't know. Oh, yes. 5-7. I don't know kung nakasalita nung nakaraan to. Ay, sorry. This is Hammers. Teka, wait. Shit. Bro. Whoa. No. Another one. bigyan natin puntos. Wait, that's the score. Oh, 7. Tama, mali. 6 pala kanina. 7-5. Oh, that's crazy. 7-5. So, yun lang naman guys, no? Susunod na tong, yes, Metal Fight. Bukas na lang yan. Kasi, yes, the day is today. The day today is Hunyo 17. June 17. Hunyo ta ngayon. Hunyo. Ha. So, yun lang naman, oh. Kung nagustuhan nyo. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.